The Supreme Court has now once again decided to go ahead and put the onus on the Delhi police to decide on the nod to the Republic Day tractor rally, which is being taken place by the protesting farmers. The apex court, remember, has refused to pass any order at the moment on the tractor rally on the 26th of January. They've said the court is not going to be interfering. CJ has also said that the Delhi police is free to act on the tractor rally, and the protesting farmers on Delhi borders earlier sought nod from Delhi police to hold their tractor rally on Capital's Ring Road. The farmers meet in Delhi, Haryana and UP police. They ended up meeting all these police officials from 3 states, and they've asked for permission to hold the tractor march on Republic Day. They've even assured that their march is not going to be causing any kind of disturbance.
26 तारीख की परेड को लेकर के संशय बरकरार है। क्या पुलिस से कुछ परमिशन मिला है, नहीं मिला है?
पुलिस को परमिशन दिया करे, पुलिस परमिशन थोड़ा देती है। तो हम परमिशन नहीं देते कभी,
बिना परमिशन के
हम सूचना देते हैं चैनल के माध्यम से, अखबार के माध्यम से। तो एलआई और वो इंटेलिजेंट है, वो काम उनका है।
तो मीटिंग करने आए थे ना एसपी साहब, तो क्या बात हुई?
वो तो यही कि किस तरह की ठीक व्यवस्था हो रही नहीं हो रही, किस तरह की
जो पुलिस ने इजाजत देनी है या केंद्र सरकार ने इजाजत देनी है, उनको देनी चाहिए, क्योंकि नागरिक हैं, देश के किसान अन्नदाता हैं, उनका भी गणराज्य में हिस्सा लेने के लिए, परेड करने के लिए उतना ही हक है। असली तो सिर्फ परेड इसलिए कर रहे हैं, एक तो गणराज्य मनाने की बात है, दूसरी ये है इसके एक बहरे कान है ना जो सरकार के, वो खुल जाएं, उसका रोष करना चाहते हैं और शांतिपूर्ण तरीके से करना चाहते हैं, अनुशासन डिसिप्लिन के साथ करना चाहते हैं।
दिल्ली का जो रिंग रोड है, हमने उस पर परेड करने की बात कही है और उसी से सरकार प्रशासन के साथ अब बातचीत है, क्या वो कहते हैं क्या नहीं कहते हैं। लाखों ट्रैक्टर आएगा तो परेड निकालने के लिए आ रहा है, और क्या किस लिए आ रहा है ट्रैक्टर यहाँ पे? परेड निकालेंगे ही जब बुलाए हैं ट्रैक्टर।
The expert panel formed by the Supreme Court on farm laws has become the latest flashpoint now. The CJI has expressed his displeasure over the maligning of farm member panel, which has been set up by it to speak to the farmers. The Supreme Court also slammed the farmers for painting the experts as pro-farm laws and advised them against branding the Supreme Court. CJI has added that it has become a culture now to brand people who one does not like. The apex court issued a notice to the centre and farmers to reply on the plea to reconstitute the committee. The farmer unions have refused to appear before the panel, calling it biased. One of the 4 members of the panel, remember, had quit, citing prevailing sentiments. Anisha Mathur is now joining us live. Anisha, if you could just encapsulate all that transpired in the Supreme Court for our viewers who have just tuned in, the very important observations that have come in from the Supreme Court on the panel which has been constituted by them.
Well, Chaiti, the Supreme Court has taken up 2 issues today in the long hearing that happened. First of all, of course, was the plea by the government for a stay on the proposed tractor rally, where the court has once again reiterated that it is not for them to interfere. It is, in fact, inappropriate for the court to pass any orders when the issue is under the authority of the police and the administration. Secondly, the petition that has been moved by one of the farm associations, that is the Rajasthan-based Kisan Mahapanchayat, for reconstitution of the panel, particularly as one of the members has recused, was also taken up. There, however, the court has made some very, very pointed observations regarding the kind of controversy we've seen over the last few days over this the currently 3-member panel. The court has said 3 very important things. First of all, that these are experts drawn from the agricultural sector. Secondly, that this panel does not have the authority to adjudicate. They will not be deciding anything. They will only be listening to all sides and giving a report to the court. And thirdly, the court has said that by maligning them without any reason, you are essentially raising questions about the court, which is something that we do not appreciate. They have said that you cannot raise allegation of bias in this manner. Back to you.
All right, Anisha, thanks for joining us with the latest details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.